Welcome back. I'm Joe. This is my Keeway. I call her Elizabeth, like the bride of Frankenstein. Anyway, when I bought her, she had her original carburetor on there, and it was quite sluggish, the old school style carburetor. It worked, but not very well. So what I did is I got an aftermarket carburetor, give it a little more oomph, a little more breathing, a little easier to deal with. So I'm gonna bring the camera in and show you what all I did. All right, and right here we got the old carburetor and the new carburetor. Now the manifold that came with the new carburetor, I had to drill out a little bit just to get the screws to line up to bolt it in. You got your throttle cable, all your adjustments, everything's pre-marked for you when you get it. You got your breather hose. And back in here, I hollowed out the air filter box, and I just got the cone filter that it came with back into that box. And over here, pretty standard, but you got your line from the cockpit over, and then that brass bolt there goes up to that breather hose, your overflow drip. Now the only thing I don't really like is this thing here is rubbing on this, so I'm gonna have to either get it lifted a little bit or put a piece of rubber or something there, because it's starting to rub. I didn't notice it right away when I put it on, but now I do. But that's my carburetor modification that I did, and it's not bad. The name of the carburetor, I don't know if you can see it right there, but I tell you right now, it works really well with this Keeway Superlight 200. And this little bike here, it's not much, but it really goes, and not a bad ride. And I'm going to put this back together real quick, and I will see you next time with a new update on this Keeway. And here later this week, I'm going to do a complete review of my thoughts and opinions of this bike since I've gotten it and all the work I've done to it. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.